my way to go get my new vehicle. And I still have the bike. Bike is still there. But I get to pick up my new car. And in the meantime, yeah, so I get to be passenger in this. Yep. Oh, and here we go. Don't mind if I do. How do you open the door?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, well, here goes a first for me. Okay.
Wow, very tight for you.
Yeah. Just a little. Yeah, we're good right there. It's fine.
Okay.
All right. This is a first for me. Let me get the seatbelt on.
Control PC. 1 second.
Okay. Oh, this is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. So, first time riding one of those, and let me tell you, holy shit. Alright, let's go get the paperwork done.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, and I'm back, and... Godzilla. So, yeah, back, done, picking up. Uh-oh, what happened now?
Fuck, his car's canceled. It's coming. Uber's here.
Uber's already here?
Uber's here. Oh, okay.
So-
Let me pay $10. Jesus. He's coming.
Okay,
I think this way too.
okay. Look at this beauty. Nice. That's a trip.
Run! It's Godzilla!
Right on. Alright, so I've got my Uber on the way to go get my car. They're getting it detailed and stuff, so... Oh, and here's my Uber. Okay. Let's go. Okay, false alarm. So, car's actually coming back to me. So we'll deal with that. Yeah. Before I forget, I want to give a shout out to FSELA. That's where I got my car. So if you guys need anything exotic wise done for your exotic car, come here. It's actually pretty good. I like them. They're nice, affordable. If you already have an exotic car, I'm assuming you already know what that's going to come into. But check them out. I'll put the link in their information in the description and their Instagram. And yeah, you should check the guys out on their page. They're pretty legit. So I want to give a shout out to you guys. Thanks for helping me out. Thanks for the new car. And we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, so yeah. New car is in effect. If I see it behind me, you can't. You probably can now. So here is the baby right here. That's the new one. So I'll get some more video of that lately, but yeah, buddy, that's my girl. All right, guys. So I want you to check out the new vehicle. This is my 2009 Porsche Cayman. No more truck for me. Needed something a little more easier to use and found a really good deal on this baby here. So this is my girl. Low miles, really good deal. Comes with suspension, wing, rims, some other little tasty little nice things that were added in, and I'm completely just infatuated with this car. So this is an awesome find, and can't wait to show you guys more about this when I do more build, and keep you guys informed on my channel. So if you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, hit that little subscribe button on the bottom, and you'll see more from me. So thanks for checking this out, and we'll catch you next time. Later.